G'day, Corey from Rowmark Australia here today. We've got some new guillotine shears in stock that are here to help you cut your materials. This is the EdgeRite shear. Comes with a metal blade, also the plastic blade, so that you can cut your anodised aluminium, your thin stainless steel or your plastics, depending. The metal blade can cut everything. Your plastic blade, specifically for plastics, similar to this one here, just like that, cutting your plates to size, then you can laser those or engrave those. This is the AccuCutter chopper. It takes a small piece, pretty much 4 inches by 7 inches. You can feed your aluminium or your stainless steel through, cuts your pieces to size. If you wanted to do trophy plates, if you wanted to do small strips, it's great for that. All of our guillotines have been sourced from the US, really good high quality product. If you have any questions about our guillotine shears, please give us a call at Rowmark Australia. We'd be happy to help you.